Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning predictive course lines on or off on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The predictive course lines show where you will end up if you continue in that direction on the reversing camera. You can turn them on or off in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then tap the arrow on the right side to get to the second settings page. Choose Camera from the options. You can then tap Predictive Course Lines to turn predictive course lines on or off. When turned on, there is an orange dot to the left of on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.